I'm going to try to land this plane.
On this tiny helipad. It's 56 stories high, and I only have 27 meters. That's roughly 14 times shorter than the world's shortest commercial runway. I need to start training. This outline is exactly the same size as the helipad. Let's see if I can do this. All right, let's make history.
Red Bull ground radio check.
Radio block.
We're ready.
You know. I'm not sure we can do it. Okay, so I'll try another one.
Okay, sounds good. I'll let them know.
Dart is on bullseye.
Bullseye, my friend! That was perfect!
We made history, man. We made history.
That was beautiful all the way. Good job! All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. Friend, that is what I wanted to see.